Now and again, not very often, but from time to time, I think about ending my relationship with him. Most relationships are about give and take, right? There needs to be a balance. And I accept that every relationship has its ups and downs. Things can't always be perfect, but I am getting sick and tired of him not doing anything apart from eat, sleep, and play. Don't worry, I'm talking about my dog, Bo, and I would never end my relationship with him. But did you notice the word pairs I used? These are common combinations of words that appear together and always in that order, and they're useful to notice because they can help you sound really fluent when speaking and writing in English. You probably know a few already: black and white, salt and pepper. Can you think of any more?